6:16. Meteorologist Amy Matson joining us with another look at the forecast. Again, clouds and humidity. It's the theme so far this week.
Yeah, just all that moisture that's built up. Now, today, too, we're getting that sun. And did you notice how hot it felt in that sun?
Wait, the sun actually is trying to peek out.
Yeah, it's trying to. Hey, it's making a difference, though. We got that hot summertime feeling, folks. So be ready for that as you step out the door. Check it out. We do have that sun trying to take more of a hold, if you will, looking out toward Roslyn. Looking like a beautiful day, but just taking that at face value, looking through the screen. Again, once you step outside, you feel just how hot and humid it is becoming across the entire DMV. And speaking of which, so far, we do have temperatures that have climbed their way well into the 80s as we just get into this early afternoon right now. How about it from the mountains of Western Maryland and West Virginia straight over to the Chesapeake Bay shoreline? Everybody is at least in those lower to middle 80s. And then before the day is said and done, we're going to be pushing 90 in a few locations, especially across southern Maryland into the district and perhaps back into northern Virginia as well. Now, the temperatures are just one factor in all of this. Dew points, again, well into the 60s, even the 70s as you head over to the east. And again, that is downright muggy. It feels like you're having to walk through the air as you step outside. That's the level of mugginess we've reached and we're going to continue to see throughout this week. Now, overall, we are not seeing much in terms of shower and storm activity yet. As you go back toward the Blue Ridge Mountains, the Allegheny front, there you're seeing a few showers already beginning to pop across West Virginia, back into portions of the Shenandoah Valley as well. And then in terms of cloud cover, well, again, we have some pockets like south and east of the district, but today we're getting more of that sunshine, which is allowing things to warm up and could be energy for any more showers and storms that develop through the afternoon. Now, speaking of which, here we go. As we get in toward the 2 o'clock hour, we're going to notice the focus for isolated shower and storm activity off to the west over the higher terrain. So out toward I-81 and then points west is where we'll see the most activity today. However, a couple of isolated showers and storms cannot be totally ruled out across the district and especially south of the I-66 corridor down into southern Maryland. It's mostly going to be the north central portion of the DMV that does not really see a lot of rainfall today, if any. That includes Leesburg, Hagerstown, Frederick, and even over into Montgomery County as well. And there we go. On toward the evening time, 7 p.m. Still just that isolated activity to the south and west. Now we'll see a few showers linger about through the overnight hours tonight into the morning on Wednesday. But then that disturbance I was talking about that is off to our west right now, it does begin to swing its way in. And by lunchtime tomorrow, we'll already begin to see showers and storms developing. Some of those showers could turn into pockets of heavier rainfall indicated by the red right here. So then throughout the second half of the day into Wednesday night, we're going to keep our eye out for some heavy rainfall, those few thunderstorms. Severe weather is not expected, thankfully enough, with the setup tomorrow. But if any of these pockets of heavy rain go over the same areas, we could be talking about a little bit of isolated flooding we will have to deal with. But it does look like things begin to quiet down a little bit as this disturbance starts to get out of here Wednesday night going into the day on Thursday. All in all, just be ready for things to get a little more unsettled starting this afternoon, going through the day on Wednesday, certainly. And then by Thursday, we begin to totally wrap things up. All the while, it stays warm, it stays humid with temperatures each day reaching into the 80s.